The unexpected adventure. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills, lived a young boy named Sam. Sam was an adventurous and curious 10-year-old who loved exploring the woods near his home. Every day after school, he would wander through the trees, imagining himself as an intrepid explorer discovering new lands. One sunny afternoon, Sam decided to venture deeper into the woods than he had ever gone before. He packed his backpack with snacks, a water bottle, and his favorite book about animals. As he walked, he noticed the trees growing denser and the sounds of the town fading away. Soon, he stumbled upon a narrow, overgrown path that seemed to beckon him forward. Filled with excitement, Sam followed the path until he came to a clearing. In the middle of the clearing stood an old, abandoned cottage. The cottage looked like it had been there for centuries, with ivy crawling up its walls and a thatched roof covered in moss. Sam's heart raced with curiosity. Who had lived there? What secrets did the cottage hold? He approached the door cautiously and pushed it open. Inside, the cottage was dusty but filled with fascinating objects, old books, strange tools, and jars of herbs. As Sam explored, he found a large, dusty book on a wooden table. The cover was inscribed with golden letters that read the Book of Adventures. Sam opened the book and was amazed to see that it contained detailed maps and stories about magical places. One map caught his eye, a map leading to the legendary Whispering Waterfall. According to the book, the waterfall had the power to grant one wish to anyone who found it. Determined to see the waterfall, Sam set off on the journey described in the book. The path was challenging, taking him through dense forests, across rocky streams, and up steep hills. But Sam didn't give up. He followed the map's instructions carefully, and after hours of trekking, he finally heard the sound of rushing water. He pushed through a thicket, and there it was, the Whispering Waterfall, cascading down a cliff into a sparkling pool. The sight was breathtaking. Sam approached the waterfall and closed his eyes, thinking hard about his wish. He wished for an adventure he would never forget. As soon as he made his wish, a gentle breeze blew through the clearing, and the water seemed to shimmer even more brightly. Sam felt a sense of peace and accomplishment. He knew this adventure was one he would always remember. With the sun beginning to set, Sam made his way back home, carefully retracing his steps. When he finally emerged from the woods, his parents were waiting for him, worried but relieved to see him safe. Sam told them all about his adventure and the magical waterfall. From that day on, Sam's story of the Whispering Waterfall became a local legend. The old cottage and the Book of Adventures remained a secret, waiting for the next curious explorer to find them. And so, Sam learned that sometimes, the greatest adventures are the ones we embark on with curiosity and courage, never knowing where the path might lead but always eager to see what lies ahead.